Welcome to 2025, your year to make the ultimate comeback. If you've been waiting for a sign to start fresh and crush your goals, this is it. Let's make it happen. Step 1. Start fresh. The past is gone. What matters now is what you do next. Take a moment to reflect. Picture yourself flipping the page to a clean slate. This is your fresh start, your chance to rewrite the story. Starting fresh does not mean forgetting the past. It means learning from it and choosing to move forward. Imagine the possibilities when you're no longer weighed down by regret or fear. Step 2. Define your goals. Every comeback needs a vision. Take a moment to imagine, what does your best life look like at the end of 2025? Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be healthier, say, I'll exercise 3 times a week and lose 10 pounds by June. Instead of, I want a better job, say, I'll complete a certificate course in 6 months to qualify for a promotion. Clarity gives you focus, and focus is what turns dreams into actionable plans. Now, break these goals into smaller milestones. Each step you take brings you closer to that big vision. Write down your milestones and watch how motivation builds as you tick them off. Step 3. Take action. Big goals can feel overwhelming, so let's simplify. Use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Start small and build momentum. Remember, action beats perfection every time. Think of each step as a brick in the foundation of your success. Day by day, you're building something incredible. Step 4. Embrace discomfort. Here's the truth. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. The tough workout, the challenging project, the difficult conversation, these are the moments that push you forward. Remember, every failure is feedback. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embrace the discomfort because it's a sign you're growing. 2025 is your year to rise. Define your goals, take action, build habits, and stay consistent. You have the power to create a life you love. Start today. Your future self is counting on you. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs their comeback too. Let's make 2025 legendary. Let's go.